Hello friends, in this video we will be talking about ACL injury in girls. Now ACL injury is an injury which is much more frequent in girls as compared to boys if you compare the same level of activity. If a girl is participating in a sport at a same level as a boy, the chances of having an ACL injury is almost 3 to 4 times than that of a boy. And there are various reasons for that. Now in this video we will be covering about all the reasons of high risk of ACL injury in girls. Why do they happen? Why they are more common? What we can do to prevent them? And we will be also touching about the treatment of ACL injury in the girls in the end. So please follow us till the end of this video. ACL injuries are more common in girls if you consider the same level of physical activity. There are many reasons for that. The first and the foremost reason is a difference in the anatomical structure of the knee. What that essentially means is that the girl's knee is different in anatomy as compared to a boy. If you have focused attention on a girl's knee, the girl's knee is more in valgus, so the knee is like that. So the chances of injury of the ACL ligament is more. Also, if we talk about the notch in the girls is very much narrow as compared to a boy, and that decreases the space for the ACL, so that brings your ACL at a more stress for a rupture. The second most important cause is hormonal. Female hormones weaken your ACL ligament and can cause repeated injuries to the ACL. This can be a micro trauma which is occurring for a long time or a single episode of trauma. So in girls, the chances of weakness of the ligament and ACL injury varies as per your menstrual cycle also. So if we talk about the menstrual cycle, the most common time at which the ACL injury took place is an ovulatory phase, that is basically your mid-cycle. Now this is the phase at which your hormones are at peak level, and that is why there is a very high chance of a ligament injury. The chances of ligament injury is relatively less in a follicular phase. So if you want to play strenuous sports, you can do it in follicular phase, but avoid to play strenuous sports during your mid-cycle or the ovulatory phase. The third most common reason is neuromuscular incoordination. So to prevent the knee, our body has got a escape mechanism. What we do is we try to contract our muscles to prevent the injury. This contraction torque is less in girls as compared to boy. So rigidity or knee stiffness just prior to an injury to protect as a protection phenomena is less in girls. So that is also one of a very important reason of repeated injury or high risk of injury in ACL in girls. The fourth most important cause is a weak core. In girls, we have realized that the core muscles, the back muscles, the bulk muscles and the pelvic muscles are relatively weaker than boys, and that is also one of the reasons that ACL injuries is more common in female athletes. Apart from there are various environmental factors which do have a role, and there are very much biomechanical factors which may have a role. Now comes the main question that we accept that the chances of ACL injuries is more in girls, but how can we protect it? What can we do to protect it or minimize their chance? So there are many things that you do at a small level. First is a proper training, proper warm-up. You should know the correct technique to play every sports and to do any kind of a heavy activity or a aerobic activity like dance. You should know the correct technique. You should start your training early in the life. The girls who train late have a high chances of rupture. So girls who train at a young age have a less chance of ACL rupture. So train early, train well, do a regular warm up, do landing exercises. So you should practice how to land normally on your foot, and ideally you should land with your knees a little bit flexed. If you land on an extended knee or the straight knee, then the chances of ACL injury will be more. Also, as I told you earlier in the video, avoid strenuous sports during the mid-cycle or the ovulatory phase. That is also a good trick by which you can prevent your ACL injuries. Now comes the question about the treatment. So the treatment of an ACL injury in female is a little different from ACL injury in males. We need to make the construct more rigid. So we intend to do more of internal bracing in girls. We need to use more advanced methods, and the most important thing that you have to consider in some girls which have a very narrow notch, we have to do a notch plasty procedure prior to do a ACL procedure. What that essentially means is that we put a ligament into the knee. That is not enough. You need to do something to correct these anatomical variations as well. And this is the reason why an ACL injury in a female should be performed at a specialist center where ACL surgery is done on a regular basis. So at a high volume center, at a center at which ACL surgeries are done on a routine basis, at those places surgeries in girls are more successful than routine centers. So these are the things that every girl should know. I will tell every athlete girl or every girl who is participating in any sports activities or dancing activities or any aerobic activities should know these points so as to safeguard her from having a ACL injury and to play safe. Even if you have an injury, don't worry, the treatment is available, the treatment is successful. You just need to take care of some basic things. If you have any more questions, you can write to us on the comment box. Please do subscribe to our channel Advanced Hospitals. Thank you.